Hi, this is O'Connor at the Startup Launchpad. You got us, this is the October edition 2016, and I'm with Ivan of Fibrum. Is that right? Fibrum.
Correct, Fibrum.
And we interviewed Ivan back in April because I want to know about what is so special about their product. Like, you've got this virtual reality goggles that you put your phone on, and it's kind of like, well, there's a lot of others like this out in the marketplace, but what was special was...
Okay, so if we get back in April, I was introducing you our product.
Yes.
And some unique features of the product.
Yes.
So there are lots of virtual reality headsets available on the market.
Correct.
But they are all pretty much the same.
Right.
So in this case, we have created the headset quite universal, because in our idea we want to share the experience of virtual reality with as much people as we could, and we don't want to be greedy or egoistic like some big brands,
yes,
allowing people to use only limited number of mobile
right.
phones.
Yes.
Because nowadays a lot of people have virtual reality ready, mobile phones which are ready for virtual reality,
right,
but they don't want to spend a lot on some flagman phones.
Right. And what was also special was you had software built.
Exactly. Like, we started to sell a bundle because
right.
we want the end user to have the complete product.
Right.
Because the end user is kind of confused. How do I use the headset in my ordinary life?
Yeah,
instead of just watching videos.
Correct.
That is why we decided to give them an opportunity to get the idea of what virtual reality could look like,
right,
in different categories.
Yes.
That is why we have interactive attractions.
Yes.
Some games.
Right.
Shooters.
Yes.
The applications to watch video in VR.
Yes.
Applications for augmented reality too.
Right. Okay.
So
you actually, you know, you got the full package there. It's not just the hardware.
Yeah.
It's not just someone else's phone that goes in the hardware, but you're actually creating the software to help drive these different applications.
Definitely.
In the virtual reality world. So very interesting. The last 6 months.
Okay, so back in April, we had 17 applications for Android and
right.
14 for iOS.
Right, 17 Android, 14 for iOS.
Yeah, so
yes.
What we have achieved. So nowadays the number of applications is 28.
28, yes.
For both Android and iOS devices.
Wow.
Yes. So we have just started the global distribution from last April.
Yes.
And by today we have launched our product in Germany, MediaMarkt Saturn, Gravis.
MediaMarkt is a major electronics distribution chain throughout Europe.
Yeah.
Like, it's the biggest one.
Yeah, so we are now presented in Germany.
Right.
And we are going to be presented in MediaMarkt Spain.
Yes, Spain.
Next week.
Right.
Then what have we also achieved? We have launched a company with Alcatel.
Yes.
And they pre-installed 2 of our applications on their Idol 4 with Windows Mobile platform.
Oh, interesting. So pre-packaged phones with Fibrum application inside.
Pre-installed.
Wow.
Then we have launched sales last week in USA.
Yes.
With Price Electronics.
Wow.
We have been also...
So is this your first entry into the US market?
Yeah.
So Price Electronics is a distributor?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, wonderful.
With the help of our distributor, we have been chosen as #1 techno partner for Emmy Awards event.
Wow.
So some of the celebrities have been presented with our glasses.
Oh, wow.
And most of them liked it.
Sorry, they were given something like this, right?
Yeah, they have been given a bundle.
A bundle, okay, I like that.
Annual subscription,
right?
And a headset.
Okay, good. Yeah. Wonderful. Oh, this is wonderful. So in 2017, what is your biggest challenge in terms of distribution and different countries that you're looking to go into?
Okay, we started to create a Fibrum platform. It's a kind of analog of Steam VR, where we combine developers, end users, and distributors.
Right.
And the biggest goal for us would be to increase the number of signed members up to 2.5 million.
2.5 million. And at the moment, what are you at to?
100 130,000.
130,000. Okay,
Yeah.
so we're going to grow.
So we have different techniques how to invite.
All right. So different partnership
Exactly.
plans.
So one of the option is that we can provide 14 days free access codes
Right.
to developers, distributors, retailers, and manufacturers of VR goggles.
Right.
We have run this campaign with Chile company,
Right.
and they sold 100,000 codes in Falabella shop.
Right.
So they
100,000 units.
Yeah, we met a partner here in Global Sources last April.
Right.
They bought some virtual reality goggles for, I don't know, like for $1.
Amazing.
And they bundle it together with our codes.
Yes.
And with the head of this bundle, they sold 100,000 units
Wow.
in Chile.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah.
So I'm really interested in what are we going to do? You've got distribution going around, you've got different partnerships. So what is your biggest challenge? Not just to grow, or how to grow from 135,000 membership to 1.5 million?
We have divided the whole global into 4 major parts.
Right.
APAC, Americas, EMEA, and Russian CIS.
Right.
Since we're a Russian company, Russia
Yes.
is not a big deal for us.
Right.
Then we are kind of good presented in EMEA region.
Right.
In countries like France, Germany, Italy, Spain, Germany, Norway, Holland, Saudi Arabia. You can also buy us at United Arabian Emirates Virgin Store.
Wow.
But the biggest challenge for us is to penetrate American market,
Right.
North America and South American market.
North America and South America.
South America,
Wow.
yeah. Brazil would be a great opportunity
Yes.
for us, and of course the APAC region.
Okay.
We are not well presented in China,
Right.
Taiwan, and since I lived in New Zealand, I would like to have our
New
products in
Zealand.
New Zealand.
Well, if you're going to say New Zealand, you better say Australia too, right?
Too, yeah.
I'm from Australia, so you got to hit the Australian market.
Okay.
Yes. So Ivan,
Aussies need to know what Fibrum is all about.
well, exactly, and I think this is, I think the packaging, but also the messaging through the marketing is a challenge for Fibrum, because it's not just a virtual reality.
Yeah.
It's also the application software to support the entertainment, the interactive gaming, and other video modules that go with it. Correct.
Correct.
But I still want to, one last question, and it's about you have this subscription model. Now, is that to support the application updates, or do you get new applications with that subscription? What?
Okay, basically how it works. The subscription card has the code.
Right.
When you register at our platform, you need to register the code.
Right.
So the subscription gives you the free 1 year free usage of all of our applications.
All the applications.
When the annual subscription is expired,
Yes.
all applications developed within 1 year remains with you.
Yes.
But if there would be new applications, the end user has 2 options: whether to pick and choose each and every and buy them, or to buy annual subscription.
I like
Once again,
that. Okay,
yeah.
so users have a choice to actually buy the individual applications.
Right.
Or your subscription, you just get access. So you're buying time, or you're actually buying the application.
Exactly.
And my sense is that these applications may evolve over time and get better and better. So in some ways the subscription model is better, because you buy it once, then it gets upgraded. That doesn't mean you're guaranteed to get that upgrade when that comes
Yeah,
through.
and we can provide different options. Like
Yes.
for MediaMarkt, we are already developing options like we can sell cards with the subscription separately.
Wow.
Saying some like the best Christmas games,
Right.
the best shooting games,
Wow.
the best games for vacations, stuff
Right.
like that.
Yeah.
And
Yeah. So really interesting marketing concept. I'm not sure if the average user or the average person that sees VR for the first time sees this as a model, but I think the subscription model is relevant, especially for the application, so you can keep up to date. Sorry, to keep the user engaged on new applications that come down your track.
Correct.
So in 2017, how many new applications do you expect to develop? What's in the pipeline?
we have 14 applications by the end of this year in the pipeline. So
Right.
altogether we would have 42 applications.
42.
And the next year we are going to develop 30 applications more.
Wow.
At the first quarter of 2017 we're going to release full-scale multiplayer online shooting game.
Wow, multiplayer.
Yeah.
Wow, that's dangerous.
So imagine you can compete with people from all over the globe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, that's amazing. All right, let's wait and see how that comes out. So we'll probably see you in April again.
Yeah, I hope so.
I hope so too.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Pleasure.
And the Fibrum team. This is O'Connor at Startup Launchpad. Catch you in the next booth. Thank you.